Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some signs that a girl is interested in you. If you want to know if she likes you more than a friend, or if she's just being polite, then watch this video till the end. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think. So, how can you tell if a girl is into you? Well, there are many ways to find out, but here are some of the most common ones. Number 1. She smiles a lot when she's with you. A smile is a universal sign of happiness and attraction. If she smiles whenever she sees you, talks to you, or listens to you, then she probably likes you. She may also laugh at your jokes, even if they're not that funny. She's trying to show you that she enjoys your company and your sense of humor. Number 2. She makes eye contact with you. Eye contact is a powerful way to communicate interests and emotions. If she looks into your eyes when you talk or when you're silent, then she's paying attention to you and what you have to say. She may also hold your gaze for a few seconds longer than normal, or look away shyly when you catch her staring. She's trying to show you that she's curious and intrigued by you. Number 3. She touches you. Touch is another way to express affection and attraction. If she touches your arm, your shoulder, your hand, or your leg, then she's trying to get closer to you and create a physical connection. She may also hug you, lean on you, or playfully punch you. She's trying to show you that she's comfortable and playful with you. Number 4. She compliments you. Compliments are a way to show appreciation and admiration. If she compliments your appearance, your personality, your skills, or your achievements, then she's trying to make you feel good and boost your confidence. She may also tease you or joke with you in a friendly way. She's trying to show you that she likes you and respects you. Number 5. She asks you questions. Questions are a way to show interest and curiosity. If she asks you about your hobbies, your passions, your goals, or your opinions, then she's trying to get to know you better and find out what you have in common. She may also share some personal details about herself or tell you some secrets. She's trying to show you that she trusts you and values your input. These are some of the signs that a girl is into you. Of course, every girl is different, and some may be more subtle or more obvious than others. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new. I will see you in the next one.